Once again, welcome students. I am your bio teacher Vikas sir from Eklavya Educational Complex. Dear students, I hope that you are staying cool at home and enjoying the online classes. In previous classes, we studied up to light reaction or light phase. We studied up to light phase. What are the different steps included in light phase and what are the products which formed after at the end of light phase. So today we will start a new topic, that is dark phase or dark reaction. That is dark phase or dark reaction. Dark phase is also known as light independent phase. Dark phase is also known as what? Light independent phase, or it is also known as chemical reaction. It is also known as what? Chemical reaction, or it is also known as what? Blackman's reaction. Black Blackman's reaction. This type of reaction don't require light. This type of reaction don't require light. That means dark phase don't require light. It is a purely biochemical reaction. It is a purely uh, biochemical reaction. So here what happens? Here CO2 is reduced into glucose. Here CO2 is CO2 is reduced into here CO2 is reduced into glucose. Reduction takes place. That means here CO2 get reduced into glucose. That means reduction of CO2 takes place with the help of hydrogen given by NADPH2 given by NADPH2. This reaction takes place in the stroma or matrix of chloroplast. This reaction takes place in the stroma or matrix of chloroplast with the help of an enzyme RUBP. With the help of an enzyme RUBP. That means RUBP extends from RUBP extends from ribulose biphosphate. Ribulose biphosphate. Ribulose biphosphate. So this RUBP acts as carbon dioxide receptors. This RUBP acts as CO2 receptors, and CO2 enters in a series of reaction and forming glucose. CO2 enters in a series of reaction and forming glucose, and again RUBP is regenerated, and again RUBP is regenerated. So dark phase leading to the formation of glucose. Dark phase is leading to the formation of glucose, and this cycle is known as, this series of reaction is known as what? Calvin cycle or Calvin-Benson cycle. Calvin cycle or Calvin-Benson cycle, because it was first observed by Calvin Benson, a scientist named Calvin Benson. So it is known as what? Calvin cycle or Calvin Benson cycle. And after the end of dark phase, RUBP and ATP are again regenerated for further photosynthesis. So this is a dark reaction. And moving to the next topic, that is what are the different factors that affect the rate of photosynthesis? What are the different factors that affect the rate of photosynthesis? So there are so many factors that affect the rate of photosynthesis. First one, sunlight. First one, sunlight. After that, CO2. After that, water, temperature. So there are so many factors that affect the rate of photosynthesis. If the rate of these factors increase or decrease, that will directly affect the rate of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in optimum conditions. So photosynthesis takes place in optimum condition. That means the required conditions of photosynthesis needed. So if the rate of carbon dioxide, or it may be water, or temperature, or anything else will be increased or decreased, that will directly affect the rate of photosynthesis. So today this much only. Next topic we will study in the next classes. Be safe, enjoy the online classes, and keep doing the hard work. Thank you.